Anyone out there that's hesitating at all, I really would make the leap. I can't imagine not having Monday.com in my work life anymore. It really keeps us organized and on track. And it's truly been a game changer for us. It's impacted how we do business at Olivia Clarke Homes. I'm Kate Bloomingdale. I've been in the home building industry for about 13 years now. I'm currently working as a purchasing manager at Olivia Clarke Homes in the Dallas area. As a smaller company, it didn't take long to notice that several of us were really relying on different project management tools, which wasn't great for collaboration. And our founder, Jennifer Clark Johnson, she's always recognized the value of using the best technology in the industry. So when she saw the impact that these tools were having just on our day-to-day, she decided to bring someone in to guide us through different options and different platforms to review and figure out which one would be best for Olivia Clarke Homes. And that's how we ended up with Monday.com. Well, as a younger company, honestly, we're still really identifying which processes we even needed. And if we did have a process, it wasn't always clearly documented. Not everyone was sure what their roles were in the process and what action items they had. So our first goal really was just to capture the fundamentals and build them into the platform. From there, we would just take real scenarios through the system and test them and refine the process from there. The construction industry, it's a very, very fast-paced industry. So things are constantly changing. Challenges pop up every single day. There's so many moving parts. It can be tough to keep all the details straight. So it's not uncommon sometimes for things to get missed, but when they do, it can cost us weeks in our schedule. So the processes we've built in Monday.com have really helped with that. We're able to track tasks more effectively, improve our communication across different departments. And then that really just helps us get things done right the first time and keep us on schedule. It really was exceptional. Danny kind of started off on our account. He impressed us with the handling of the initial setup. He helped us get organized and figure out what projects really needed to be our priority, and even took the heavy workload off some of it, especially when it came to some of the more complex projects we had. That allowed us free time to learn more about Monday.com and practice on some of the simpler boards and projects that we had. I feel like our teams feel more confident in knowing what they're supposed to do and when. I would say Ruin has had a huge impact on us. He joined our account, I want to say a year ago now, and he's been leading our weekly meetings ever since. He's become such a valuable tool to us. We consider him an honorary member of the Olivia Clarke Homes family. We are a very outspoken and strong group with lots of ideas, and he's always patient. He listens to us and figures out how to implement what we're trying to do. And aside from that, handling the workload when we have projects going on that we need help with and don't have time to tackle ourselves. He really takes time to teach us so that we can become more confident in the system and be more self-sufficient on our own. I would say developing our master community setup tracker was probably one of our biggest learning moments. It's one of our more complex workspaces. It's a place that allows us to track all potential land deals coming up. And then when a contract gets signed, we get a board automatically created for us from a template that we've built. And that board will allow us to track every single detail that goes into setting up each community. It's grouped by department so everyone knows what they need to focus on. It outlines every step. It highlights dependencies, details how long each task will take, and then it will automatically update the timelines if we change our process or dates move out. It also provides high-level visibility for us, so upcoming timelines helping us understand what's needed now, what workload lies ahead, and what resources that we'll need so that we can stay on schedule. It also allows the boards to feed into a master dashboard that gives us a quick view of key metrics and milestones, and the tool's just really been transformative for Olivia Clarke Homes.